Hi, this is Jaya, and you're watching me on Bollywood Now. Today, I'm in conversation with the gorgeous, talented, the author, writer, director Tahira Kashyap. Hi, Tahira. Welcome to Bollywood Now.
Thank you, Jaya. Thank you so much.
Firstly, I would like to start from Sharma ji ki Beti. I watched it, and I would like to ask everyone to go and watch this film because this film के पीछे की जो intention है ना, that has came out so pure. I mean, I loved it.
Thank
Loved
you.
it how you are making sure in every directions, every place कि women को वो चीज मिलनी चाहिए. It is so pretty. But how did you come up with this?
The film.
Sharma
the
ji ki
concept.
beti. Yes, the concept.
Yeah, I think these stories they were there with me, and I wanted to write, and then I started writing, and I had so much to say, and I was like, अगर मुझे एक opportunity मिल रही है तो सब कुछ बोल दूँ, पर खिचड़ी नहीं बनानी थी. So I had, of course, multiple drafts, but these were the tracks, and eventually they started coming, and सबकी लाइफ में कुछ कुछ एक हिस्सा है जो मेरी ज़िंदगी से है जुड़ा हुआ, चाहे एक्सपीरियंस हो चाहे ऑब्जर्वेशन हो. फिर उसके बाद स्टोरी टेलिंग और थोड़ा फिक्शन क्रिएट करके आई सॉर्ट ऑफ केम अप विद दिस. एंड शर्मा जी की बेटी, क्योंकि हमेशा शर्मा जी का बेटा ही होता है आगे, तो इस बार ही शर्मा जी की बेटी की भी बारी थी कि वो भी आगे आए और अपना पर्सपेक्टिव रखे. एंड आई एम जस्ट सो ग्लैड यू लाइक द फिल्म एंड थैंक यू सो मच.
I was talking to Sharib Hashmi. He was saying about you that कि मैंने ना इतना hard working नहीं देखा कोई डायरेक्टर को. The way she used to direct and making sure कि concept एकदम clear हो.
Yeah.
जो चाहिए उनको वो चाहिए. She was so clear in her mind.
आई थिंक वो इतने साल की भड़ास थी बनाने को मिली नहीं थी, तो आई वॉज, दैट्स ट्रू, आई वॉज वेरी क्लियर in terms of what I wanted from each and every character, and not just the women but the men also, whether it was Praveen, his role with Kiran, with Divya Datta, or it was Sharib Hashmi's role, or whether it was Ravjeet's role opposite Tanvi Sayami. So I was very clear how the boys will also be. So it was so much fun, and I think ये सब इतने great actors हैं. There's such beautiful, secure, especially Sharib, he's such a secure actor that उनको कोई problem नहीं थी if the girl is shining in the frame or in the film, and that made him shine even more, you know. So I just hats off to him.
You know, taking 5 women in the film. ठीक है. Was that a challenging, you know, जब collaborators आते थे? I've read or somewhere you've written, you have said कि collaborators were asking कि यार men को ले लो एक,
Yeah.
commercial actor को ले लो एक.
ऐसे सजेशंस बहुत सारे मिले थे, क्योंकि एक प्रोजेक्ट को आई थिंक कमर्शियली वायबल बनाने के लिए यू नीड सर्टन ट्रोप्स, तो वो सब मेरे पर इस्तेमाल करने की कोशिश की गई थी कि सजेशंस मिले कि ए लिस्टर को ले लो, गेस्ट अपीयरेंस ले लो, सॉन्ग सीक्वेंस रख लो, ये कर लो वो कर लो. पर थोड़ा टाइम लगा समझाने में सबको कि ये वो फिल्म नहीं है, ये एक फ़िल्म है जिसको मैं इस तरीके से देखती हूँ और इस तरीके से बनाना चाहती हूँ. तो it took time, but I'm just so glad I found those collaborators, whether it was Tanuj from Ellipsis, whether it was you know, Applause, whether it was Amazon Prime. I think eventually वो सब आए on board.
There's a line in the movie जहाँ पे दिव्या दत्ता को बोला जाता है कि हाउसवाइफ का डिपार्टमेंट है यार ये तो. That hit it so much to me. I mean, हम इंडिया में हैं और इंडिया में हर घर पे है जहाँ पे मॉम जिनका काम हाउसवाइफ का होता है. तो मैं वो देखने के बाद सन रह गई कि हाँ यार, these are still there in our place.
Yes, it is. It is. In fact, and if you see, it's a woman who's saying it. It's not even a man. So it was a deliberate effort. Because that's what I also see at times. Patriarchy is not because of the men. It's because of the women also. So it was important. And sometimes कई working mothers होती हैं, कई working moms होती हैं, तो उनको थोड़ा घमंड भी आ जाता है कि हम काम कर रहे हैं. We are bringing finances to our house, and that kind of confidence is not there in a homemaker, which I fail to understand, because if at all she is the one who should get the highest remuneration, because she is your homemaker, she is your plumber, she is also your counselor, she is also your क्या कहते हैं, मतलब कोई चोट लग जाए तो डॉक्टरी का भी काम थोड़ा बहुत सीख ही लिया है कि ये भी कर लो, तुम ये ले लो, पेट दर्द सबका तो And she's around, working around the clock 24/7 with no break. So I wanted, so again all this can be said in a way कि lecture लगे, sermon लगे, but intention वो फिल्म मेकिंग की नहीं थी, लैंग्वेज वो उस फिल्म की नहीं थी, कहीं भी आपको लगेगा नहीं कि लेक्चर दिया जा रहा है, बट रिलेशनशिप्स के बीच में ही जैसे एक इंसान दूसरे से रिएक्ट करता है आप खुद काफ़ी कुछ समझ जाते हैं. So when the woman who's a working mother who says, working woman who says कि नहीं मैं तंबोला नहीं खेल सकती, ये तो housewives का department है, and she says it in a very derogatory way. So the idea was also for this message to reach that the aspirations of a homemaker, and even if she wants to do a kitty or she wants to, it's not a bad idea. If that's her definition of being happy, it's okay. But women are different and they should be allowed to be happy in whatever situation they choose for themselves.
Yes, absolutely. And you have made sure कि ना ये मूवी में कट टू कट सारे जनरेशन, सारे फेजेस को आपने दिखाया एक ना एक बार करके, स्वैप कर कर. मैं आपसे जानना चाहूँगी, जहाँ पे एक बच्ची को सेल्फ डाउट होता रहता है अपने ऊपर, स्कूल किड, आई वांट टू नो फ्रॉम यू, कभी आपके साथ ऐसा, क्योंकि बिकॉज यू मेक श्योर कि ये मेरे लाइफ का भी स्टोरी है ऐसा, तो कभी आपके साथ ऐसा हुआ यार यू हैव बीन सेल्फ डाउटेड?
या बहुत सारे सेल्फ डाउट, बचपन में क्या वो सेल्फ डाउट की जर्नी तो बड़े होते तक ही चलती रहती है. आई फील वी ऑल वर्क टुवर्ड्स इट, राइट? लाइक 2 मिनट नहीं लगते हमारे सेल्फ डाउट को क्रश होने में, हम पूरा 1 घंटा लगा के तैयार होते हैं स्क्रीनिंग के लिए जाने के लिए, और लिफ्ट में कोई बोल देता है अरे तुम मोटी लग रही हो, और या फिर तुम्हारा मेकअप उतना अच्छा नहीं है, और कॉन्फिडेंस आपका वहीं पर गिर जाता है. सो आई जस्ट फील वी नीड टू बी सो, एंड अगर मेकअप बुरा है नहीं यार, मोटे हो पतले हो, how does that define your self-worth? You know, your self-worth is so much more than what and how people define you. And the self-doubt has been a part of my journey since I was a kid, and I think we'll all will be work in progress for the rest of our lives. But at least काम तो कर रहे हैं उस पर. तो हाँ, मैं भी स्वाति की तरह फील करती थी. आई वॉज द लास्ट इन माई क्लास टू गेट माई पीरियड, एंड आई वॉज ऑब्सेस्ड कि यार देयर इज समथिंग रॉन्ग विद मी, इसको चेक करवाया जाए, ठीक करवाया जाए. भगवान ने मेरे साथ ठीक नहीं किया, मेरी मम्मी ने मेरे साथ ठीक नहीं किया, पता नहीं क्या क्या अपने होते रहते हैं. दैट्स द काइंड ऑफ, that's what I wanted to bring in these young kids in the film also, that they look endearing and the problems are also endearing, you know. So
I don't know how audience will take, but I am making sure कि ना मैंने ना इनसे 3-4 चीज़ें जो ली है कि you made sure कि people educate भी हो इस चीज़ से. जैसे you have normalized periods in this, you have normalized the women parts और सारी बाकी चीज़ों के बारे में. That was the best concept I have seen in this recent time or recent week, I guess.
thank you so much. Yeah, this
So,
was an intention.
There are these some questions
Okay.
जो एक women ने हमारे ऑफिसेस के कुछ women हैं जिन्होंने ये questions आपके लिए भेजे हैं.
Oh, so sweet.
So there are, what inspired you to become a champion for women's empowerment and what drives your passion for this cause?
Very honestly, I feel gratitude for so many of these women and people who have opened the doors for us to sit here and talk and wear the clothes that we want to wear. Is because some women really protested. Some women really asked for their rights to be heard, to be spoken. तो एक ना sense of gratitude है, अगर वो सब ना करते तो हम यहाँ पर बैठे ना होते. अब अगर हम यहाँ बैठे हैं तो हमें भी तो कुछ करना चाहिए, where it opens more doors and gives more opportunities to women and people like us and the generations ahead.
Your writing and directing often focus on strong female characters. Can you share your approach to creating these characters and the impact you hope they have an audience?
I think the kind of impact and what my hope from it is when I get to see the kind of impact that Sharma ji ki beti has had. And very honestly, I do getting messages every day, and one of the sweetest messages आज ही मुझे मिला है. मेरी एक फ्रेंड जो बाहर रहती है सिंगापुर, उसका बेटा है and 10 साल का बेटा है, तो वो बैठ के इकट्ठे मूवी देख रहे थे, and that's when he asked, Mama, do boys also get periods? And she was like, that opened my way of having a friendly discussion about women, and I didn't have to explain him much because he saw the film and he understood what a girl goes through in the most beautiful manner. So thank you. You have sensitized my child for the world, and he might be able to empathize with his classmates sooner. So I think that was that's the kind of impact I would love to have my film have, क्योंकि अगर बच्चा बैठ के मूवी देख रहा है तो मतलब एंटरटेनिंग भी है, बोरिंग नहीं है, और साथ में कुछ सवाल और जवाब भी हो रहे हैं, और उस दौरान कुछ बाउंड्रीज, कुछ कम्युनिकेशन गैप्स खुल रहे हैं, वो ही मैं चाहती हूँ.
Wow, the thought behind it. How do you think we all can work towards a more inclusive and equitable society for women, and what role do you see men playing in this effort?
I think it's very important for not just the women but the men also to seek for the happiness of other gender as well, because by the end of it they're also coming to a home which has a wife, a mother and a daughter. तो and the same society where you are कि तुम्हें तुम्हारी सेहत पे कुछ असर ही नहीं पड़ रहा, अगर तुम्हें डिस्क्रिमिनेशन दिख रही है, वही चीज़ आपके घर भी पहुंचेगी एक दिन और तब मैटर करेगी. So I think everybody needs to have a macroscopic view where if there is a room and there are 4 corners, if there is one corner that is unhappy, that unhappiness will reach out to the other 3 corners. So it's very important for the 3 happy corners to also seek out for that unhappy corner, you know, to seek out for their rights as well. So it's very important for men also to be a part of this movement, which does not say that women are better than men, but they deserve equally. That's what feminism is about.
Agree. Your own journey has been marked by challenges. Can you share some lessons you have learned along the way that you think would inspire and empower others?
Yeah, I think everybody's journey, कईयों की journey documented रहती है, कईयों की journey documented नहीं रहती. So I just feel every individual out here has fought some obstacles. I'm very sure you have fought many obstacles while sitting here, but we don't know the behind the scenes. So I think all of us have something to share with each other, and as long as we do that in a space which doesn't judge, क्योंकि everybody is a product of their circumstances. अगर patriarchy भी है तो उन बेचारों के साथ patriarchy हुई गई है, and they don't know any better. So how to open up that communication with that person, how to reach the heart of that person without hurting the person, would be my way of empowering, encouraging and educating people. So yeah.
What do you believe are some common misconceptions about feminism? And how do you address this in your work?
Oh, so the biggest misconception is that feminism is about saying that women are better, or if you have feminist, if you have movies surrounding women, then it's going to be boring. And if you have a 40-year-old woman playing that character, then तो बहुत ही रोना धोना और बोरियत होगी. So I think Sharma ji ki beti defies all of that. And to know how it defies all of that, you've got to watch the film.
Yes. And how can we support and uplift women in industry traditionally dominated by men, such as filmmaking?
Yeah, by making such films, by watching such films, by appreciating such films, because then only more doors get open, and then only people like me will get even more encouraged to write more and more beautiful such roles for women as well.
Yes, and you have taken that step, I guess. We are seeing that already. You know, it was such a lovely chatting with you, Tahira.
Thank you.
And I wish we can have more conversation further. आगे जाकर और भी मैं आपसे बात कर पाऊँ.
बिल्कुल.
It was such a lovely chat with you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Hi, I'm Tahira Kashyap Khurana, and you're watching me on Bollywood Now.